guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to go over how to use the Fluz app. Ever since I posted in a couple of my CVS videos that you can earn cash back from using the Fluz app at checkout, I have gotten a lot of questions. So I wanted to put together a full tutorial on how exactly to use the app, and of course, it's completely free. So if you want to see how you can earn up to 35% cash back on stores that we love, my personal favorite, CVS, then stay tuned. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. If you're tuning into this video, you're probably wanting to save more money. You've come to the right place. On this channel, I share with you tons of ways that you can save thousands of dollars each year through some easy coupon deals and some different rebate apps that you can use. Fluz, of course, is one of them. So all you have to do is click the link below in the description box, and that way you can get signed up. So I'm gonna walk you right through it on how to get signed up, create a free account, and how to use the app. Super easy, so let's dive in. So when you click the link in the description box, you are going to register. So you're gonna click register now. Then you're going to type in your phone number. They are gonna send you a verification code. So make sure that phone number is a phone number you have access to, so that way you can type in that verification code and be able to move forward in the process. Pretty self-explanatory. You are gonna finish the steps needed so you can finish setting up your free account. So now I wanna show you on screen what it looks like through the app so we can scroll through it together and get familiar with it. I'm gonna share with you how you can do the gift cards to be able to get the cash back. And at the end, I am gonna share with you a few tips to where you can maximize your cash back with the app. So let's dive right into the app. So once you set up your account, this is what it's gonna look like. At the bottom, you have home, earn, pay, invite, and vouchers. Using that link in the description box, you are gonna get 3 vouchers for 35% back. My favorite store, of course, is CVS, and one of the vouchers is available to be used at CVS. So that is gonna be the example I share with you in this tutorial. So let's go over a couple things from the app. Number 1, let's go to earn. It'll show you that you can invite people as well. If you want to make some extra cash, if you want to be able to get some more vouchers, you can invite your friends, your family to use the Fluz app as well, and that way you can earn some cash back that way. Then when you go to pay, at the bottom, you can search for a bunch of different stores. You can scroll through and see your favorites. You can go ahead and mark 5 favorites if you want. At the bottom, you can select see all and scroll through hundreds and hundreds of stores. They have Ace Hardware, Airbnb, Amazon. You'll earn 0.5% cash back from Amazon, which is amazing. They have American Frame, Apple, Arsenal, never heard of that, but tons of stores that you guys can browse through and see. CVS, of course, is one of them. So at the top, you can click Boosted This Week. You will see which ones have increased their cash back. So if those are the stores you want to shop at, you will get some additional earnings. So if I wanted to shop at Bath & Body Works right now, in-store and online is giving me back now 5% instead of the typical 2%. So if I have a candle or something else I want to purchase, now is definitely the time to do so. You can also click new merchants, see what new stores have been added to the app. Maybe there's a store that wasn't there previously. So you can scroll through. Gap is new. Bark Box, if you want to order some things for your pet, you can do Bark Box, earn 1.5 cash back there. So let's hit the back button. Then we are going to go to vouchers. You can see how many vouchers you have for the 35% cash back, which is amazing. When you use that, you are getting back a maximum of $3.50. That is the maximum you can get back on one voucher. So I will share with you a couple tips and tricks that you can make even more cash back than that. So definitely stay tuned. So this is how you are going to get your gift cards to use at checkout for CVS. Now, I would recommend doing it before you get to the counter. The first time you get a gift card, you have to add in your debit card or credit card information. It is then going to deposit a small amount, $1 or 20 cents or something like that, into that bank account. So Then you have to go to that bank account, figure out what the exact dollar and change amount is, go back to the app and type it in. That way it knows that that is a valid bank account, you own that bank account. It's just a security measure, so that way they can make sure that no one is trying to get gift cards with your information except for you. So it does take a minute, but it is for our own security purposes, so no issues there. It takes 2 seconds. So once you add in your credit card or debit card information, and then you verify your bank account, you can buy a gift card. So what you're gonna do is go to pay in the middle. You're gonna search the store. For this example, we are doing CVS. So you're gonna type in CVS and click it. Now it shows right at the top, earn 35%. The maximum you can earn is $3.50 plus 1% of whatever the gift card amount is. So when you're checking out at CVS, you're gonna use your extra bucks, get your out-of-pocket as low as possible. Then, what I would recommend is before you even get to the store, I would get a $10 gift card. So what you're gonna do is type in $10. It shows you the maximum you are gonna earn is $3.60 cash back. So right there, that is amazing. You can use this to pay for taxes as well. It's used as a normal gift card. So then you're going to hit continue. It's asking you what card or what credit card, debit card you want to use. So then you're going to hit purchase gift card at the bottom. You are going to type in the 4-digit security code that you created, like a 4-digit PIN number. Then it will allow you to purchase that gift card. So let's take a look at what it's going to look like now. So this is a gift card code that I had purchased previously, and I've already used it up shopping at CVS. So what you are going to do is you are going to have the cashier scan that barcode right off your phone. So if you want to increase it a little bit, make it a little larger, you can. Then they, on their side, have to click gift card first. Make sure they do that. If they don't click gift card and they just scan it, it's going to beep, because the system doesn't know that it's trying to get a gift card and recognize a gift card code. So they are going to scan it after they hit gift card. Then they are going to type in that 4-digit PIN number on their side. They are going to handle that, no issue there. And it is going to count as a normal gift card, which is amazing. In your account on Fluz, you will see the $3.60 cash back, because that's what we said we were going to get, that the app showed us from getting a $10 gift card. So I want to share with you a tip. The best thing to do, say you think your out-of-pocket cost when you're putting together your haul or your scenario is going to be $20. Well, if you get a $20 gift card on Fluz, the maximum you're going to earn is $3.50 plus 1%. Maybe that's $3.80. I haven't done the math, but if you buy 2 $10 gift cards, then you're gonna get $3.60 and $3.60, giving you back a total of $7.20 for a $20 worth of gift cards. Versus if you just go ahead and put in a $20 gift card, then you're only gonna be getting back, say, $3.80. So hopefully that makes sense. Of course, if you guys have any questions or anything, you can just drop a comment below and let me know. It's super easy to use. I've used it quite a few times checking out at CVS. It's just the same thing as if you were to use a Fetch Rewards gift card. You're gonna have them scan the barcode. So this is the same thing. So the bonus with this is you are getting 35% cash back, which is amazing. So now, once you purchase a gift card, you do not have to use the whole amount in that one transaction. Say you purchase a $10 gift card and your final cost is $2.50. That's fine. You are gonna have them scan it. They are going to finish it on their end. It's gonna take off the $2.50. Your gift card is still valid. You do not have to spend it all in one transaction, which is nice. So then say you roll into your second transaction at CVS. I wanna show you how to pull up that gift card again. On the top left, you see here I have $61.11 from Fluz. You are gonna click that. You're gonna go to personal. Then you're gonna scroll down and see 7 days ago I had this gift card. Of course, yours wouldn't say 7 days ago. Then you're gonna hit view Fluz pay code. That's gonna pull up that barcode. So now when you're in your second transaction, maybe it's the same day, maybe it's a couple days later, no problem. Now maybe your total winds up being these $7.50. They can scan this, again, make sure they click gift card on their side. they're gonna type in the PIN number and use the rest of this gift card. So that is another amazing feature. You do not have to worry about using it all in one fell swoop. Another thing you can do that I would recommend after you do your first gift card, say you want to purchase your second gift card, if you want to make it for the exact amount of what the final cost of your transaction is, you can do that as well. Say your final cost is $9.10 and you don't want to worry about having a $10 gift card and only having 90 cents left over. No problem. You can type in the exact amount. But again, I would only do that after you've done your first gift card. That way you're not sitting there at the register trying to enter in your credit card information or your debit card information, verify your bank account, and then there are line forms behind you. You want to make sure that this is not a stressful scenario for you. So that is what I would recommend. Do one gift card at the house for $10. I showed you how you can pull it back up whenever you get to the store, super easy. Then when you do your next gift card, you can always do the final cost of that transaction if you want. If you want to just keep doing $10 gift cards to get the max amount cash back, you can do that as well. Now let's get into how you will cash out your money. The best part. So we are going to hit X out of all of that. Now at the top, we are in our wallet still. You can go to withdraw. So you're going to click withdraw. You do have to have at least $26 in the Fluz account to be able to withdraw it. So you're not going to be able to withdraw it every time you get some cash back. But most rebate apps, they do have a minimum, so no big deal there. And with getting $3.50 back plus 1% for the different gift cards you're using, I personally shop at CVS every single week. You guys know that if you follow me on this channel. So hitting $26 will not take you a long time. So then what you can do is click Visa Virtual Debit Cards. You're gonna go ahead and click that. The minimum amount you can withdraw is $25. I can't withdraw $1 or anything like that. So I'm gonna type in whatever amount I want. If I wanna do $25, I'm gonna do that. If I try to do $20, oh, not $2,000, that would be crazy, and hit confirm, then the little sign will pop up and remind you the minimum you can withdraw to a virtual debit card is $25. So let's do $25. Then you're gonna hit confirm. You're gonna type in your 4-digit passcode. It's gonna process that request for you, and then it is going to send you an email. So mine, I registered with my email, briecouponqueen@gmail.com. It's gonna send you that virtual gift card that you can use. So to access your virtual debit card, all you have to do is go over to the email that is associated with your Fluz account. You would click on that email about your virtual debit card. There are a couple steps that you're gonna follow. You're gonna click the link right in that email, follow the steps, and then you will have access to your virtual debit card, which is awesome. If you guys have any additional questions or anything, of course, drop a comment below. Don't forget to use the link in the description box so you can get 3 vouchers for 35% cash back. Of course, I will be sharing this again and again when I do my CVS haul videos, so definitely stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.